Meaning of fright.
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 Fright. Fright refers to a sudden and intense feeling of fear or alarm, often triggered by a perceived threat or danger. This emotional response can manifest physically in various ways, such as an increased heart rate, trembling, sweating, or a tense body. Fright is a natural response to situations that are perceived as threatening, and in some cases, it can be beneficial as it prepares the body for fight or flight. However, excessive and frequent fright can lead to various psychological issues, including anxiety disorders and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD.